guys, this episode of Spice and Nice.
I am Anne, that's Spice.
And I'm Denise the Nice.
And I think it's have to be that painful for me to now aware of.
When should you switch
now
it off?
I call myself of the power of being resilient and adaptable and growth and learn. That's the four tricks that I'm focused on. Every time I feel like I become a tunnel vision again, I have to be the one who tell myself,
okay, adaptable needs to come out now.
Okay, it's and I tell you it's not easy. That's why you need friends with people who show you that trick. Like that's why I know what I mean. I hate her and love her at the same time.
I get what you mean. It's kind of like my husband
She showed me things.
Patience, but at the same time, I'm like, this is too long for you. You need to move on already, right?
Yeah.
And then I show him the playfulness and the like give up too soon.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's adaptability.
Yeah.
So it's about
like I don't like she can adapt any situation.
Any situation. And my mom used to be so angry with me because she will get so I think she's like you lah. She will get so worked up because I'm always late. My things are not packed. It's all on the floor.
Yeah.
The bus is already downstairs. I'm still upstairs. You see her face. So my mom, Chinese will have this saying. That means if the sky fall down, we will take it as a blanket.
Yeah. Until I have to make a system for her so simple that me and my helper can deal with her. Like so simple, so
1, 2,
simple.
3.
Only like less than few steps, and even that.
It's along the way. This is what happens. So it's like, it's a. I think so I've now come to the conclusion. Right now, my current conclusion. I mean, it may have a new level. Like we always say, like it's like you reach this level, you think this is it. No, there's another one. There's another one. So right now,
and it just get bigger, harder,
and shittier. But it's okay. It's okay. So my current level is, I think the people who are like the best are those who reach a point where they can switch on and switch off their character trait. Like for you, your tunnel vision, you're like, okay, now I need it to be on.
Oh yeah, definitely. I think that's
now I need it to be off.
Yeah. That's the next step that everybody should
and
achieve.
It's a constant practice because
oh my god, it's not easy. Even now when I'm even aware of it, it's still
because
it's
sometimes
still uncomfortable because you don't bond with it.
Yes, plus sometimes when you're stuck, you can get into your natural state, which is tunnel vision, because that's your preferred. I give it like example, very simple. The last few months my business will be involving AI a lot, and you know how much I love my old stuff and the old way of I'm doing things. Even to change this whole new system, I've been fighting with my team for the last 1 week because I don't know how to use the mic, I don't know how to use the camera. It have nothing to do with the technology, it's thing to do with resistance. There's a resistance.
I'm still not used to this thing yet. Okay, give me another 6 months and I will start falling in love to whatever.
Yeah, 6 months. I'm like, oh, okay, this is it. All right, I see you. Okay, good.
I on it right now. I still have like 10% of me not really enjoying the live stream because I miss my old camera and my old view and my old picture and my old voice, whatever that old.
All the old things.
Yeah, but you know, that's a consistent practice of me telling me, hey, the team need better quality for podcasts because a lot of people start listening to you in the car when they're driving. And by the way, whoever driving in the car, listen to us right now. Let me know if the new mic is better for you. That should be the clap on the shoulder for me, tap on the shoulder for me to be encouraging to buy something that's freaking expensive for you to listen in the freaking car.
Maybe on the train.
Whatever that's for you, okay? I buy this for you. I'm blame you for that. Anyway,
that'll be $500. Thank you. That's it.
So, the point is for some people, it's so exciting to buy new things.
I'm like, oh my god, you said that. Woo!
So exciting for you to get new stuff, but for me, it's like to say bye to my old stuff.
So sad.
It's so painful.
I know, like her laptop was her keys. The laptop that we were using for the podcast, her keys were falling out. The enter key is fallen out.
You know that laptop is more than 12 years?
I know, this is such a disaster because every time I have to type something, I have to try to put it back in. Because the key is at the side on the table. It's not on the keyboard where it's supposed to be. It's on the table, I take out, put it in, and then I have to type something. And then when I type it fall again, I have to put it back in again. Okay? So I was like, oh, I mean, but for me, like I say, this is adaptable. So I'm like, oh, okay, me, it's a house, it's a setup, then or whatever. If she likes the keyboard is falling out, it's fine, whatever. The falling
So
out.
you see, it's the thing is like, no, I don't have money to buy anything.
No,
I just don't want to leave my old
she,
thing.
She's like, if it doesn't, she's like,
it doesn't spoil.
Why do
you need to buy a new one?
If it still don't change it, you
yeah.
epitome of the thing. Like if it still works, don't change it. But you see, sometimes if you don't change it, there is no improvement.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we are both practicing the point that okay, Denise, now you need to be serious. Okay, you need to be serious right now. It's a serious time, Denise. Serious time.
Even when they're serious, it make me laugh.
Yeah, because my serious is like, it's serious for me, but it's not serious for them. It's like they're every day. And then
oh my god, you made me think of Joey right now.
Yeah,
when he's serious with me, I'm not feel scared or serious and make him mad. I'm like, why are you mad? You're a joker every day anyway. And when he's serious, I'm serious right now. I was like, okay, so what? What?
Because our serious intensity is not as high. So like sometimes
he just make a joke, more joke.
Yeah, so it's like sometimes I don't know lah, but then our intensity of having fun they also cannot match.
Yeah, cannot.
So it's like, you know,
we feel like too much joke already now.
Yeah, you cannot have everything. So the thing now is, what are your own character traits? And then when does it work for you, it becomes a strength.
Yeah.
When does it fail you, then it becomes a weakness, because it's something that people can use to attack you, or you will fail in something. So it's about recognizing, okay, now I'm being too adaptable. I need to stop it.
You should use that continually.
Turn down the adaptable.
But you have to learn the thing that you're uncomfortable and start using it when you need to. Like me, adaptable is something that I learned for the last few years. Like I say, first is thanks to Eva. After that, thanks to Denise, and now thanks
you were forced to learn it.
Yeah, like you have no choice. You have a kid, you have to learn when you have a kid, right? To live with her, because you are a mother. You have to be a bigger person. Basically, you need to show
because you
like
are the grown up here.
Exactly, you need to give in for the freaking small human.
You cannot be like, oh, I still want to be a child.
Yeah, so it's helped me to learn. Oh, actually, adaptable like her is great, because sometimes, you know, my job is as an entrepreneur. I always last minute changing. Yeah, and she may have to deal with her mom, like
last minute leave her
alone, or last minute like we're supposed to go somewhere, but something happened. She need to follow me to the location.
But she's okay.
Oh, she okay. She just give me a swimming suit. You do whatever you want. I want the swimming. She can swim herself in the swimming pool by herself, and she don't give a F. She say, you do work, I don't care. Is
there something for me to do, or there is good?
Oh, playground, great. I play by myself.
Yeah,
swimming pool, good. I swim by myself. Done.
You can carry on.
Let's go home. That's it.
Okay,
yeah, feed me. Done. Yeah. So she, because of that adaptable she have, and she know how to create fun, enjoy herself. It less stress for me as a mom that beat myself up, that I feel like I don't keep my word with her. But actually, it's not like I don't keep my word with her, because she's too young to understand that her mom job is not a job, right? It's like
it's not the usual.
It's a career, like
it's not a usual corporate 9 to 5 job.
Yeah, so she had to learn how to live with that, and I'm glad that she can live with that, and that's what I learned from her. Also, I like.
Maybe she was chosen to be born for you.
I know, right? I need someone like that.
Imagine if you have a child like you.
Yeah, that's it.
And then you're like,
every day the child, like, you promise and you didn't keep your promise.
Then
you know?
I think you will feel so bad.
Yeah, I feel so bad every day. I think so. If my child is not Ava, and I think that's why she's perfect for me, because
she will follow your plan.
Yeah, she like, oh, you have to change because you have to work. It's okay, mommy. We make, and on the way go there, she already planning her head. What can she do? What can she do there?
Very fast, the new plans come.
New plan come, yeah. And I feel sometimes me is the one who feel bad. She didn't.
Oh yeah.
She even more enjoying for last minute thing come up. She feel more exciting.
More fun.
Yeah.
And we will see you guys at the next episode of Spice and Nice.
I am Amanda Spice.
And I'm Denise and Nice. Bye.